Today's big deal of the day is the annual Festival of Sugary Sweets, when all the finest cooks and candy makers in Lalalootziland share their talents with the most talented makers of candy.
That doesn't come in sounding chips. Do not good.
Keep stirring. You have to make it
Oh, no, no,
candy for everyone. Yummy. But not yummy enough. Let's give it a dash more vanilla.
It's just a carrot.
There's our candy machine. Don't worry, you take over here. I'll try to call Dot Starlight. She might know how to fix it.
Oh.
Hello? Hi, Dot. Where are these stretchy locks? How's the Festival of Sugary Sweets coming? Great. Me and my dear are just whipping up a fresh batch of our mint chocolate candy. But I'm gonna need your help. I'll be right over.
Hey, stop eating that chips right now!
They are always so good with rockets and
You do not just turn the pop poppers in the neck.
guess she's on her way.
Into the cheese pop like a garden nut to go ahead to me.
We're hosting this year, so I want everything
Eating the neck
perfect
again.
and candy dandy. I've got plates.
Puffy, puffy girls, puffy, puffy girls.
Good morning, Peppy. Can we help with anything? Well, this takes
Hey,
me.
hey, stop eating the neck! No!
I hope I have enough chairs. Thanks, Monkey. Uh-oh. It looks like we're running low on some ingredients. Better go see Crumbs. I'll come with you. 2, 4, 6, 8. Whirly, wait for me.
I can't decide what to make for the Festival of Sugary Sweets, Mouse. Should I try one of these new muffin recipes? Or something from Cookies, Cake, and Crumpets?
Oh,
Classic cupcakes?
Don't
Yes, but if you had to pick just one,
you don't digester popcorn and then to me. You think a poppers and a chances? Where is the garden? Coming soon! No!
I know the feeling.
Ain't eating the neck.
So
Coming soon.
but it's gonna be so much fun.
Oh man!